So in this case, I'm playing as a blank. And they are not set by default, are they? No. Okay, so by default, I think there should be 0. So because I'm playing a blank class, it would just be shite. Everything from 0 to whatever this is, and not including that. So +1 in order to include everything in this spectrum. And then that will be that'll be that. I guess that's it. So if, and then we'll have to check if dice rolled is greater than, yeah, or oh, what? How is that possible? Greater than or equal to 1. So anything above a miss, it would do something. Else, it will be like we'll have to find a spot to put the information. So that's like fucking dead center. So let's go 3. And on the 15th. And then go. So if you missed, and this is only if the player missed, so you'll be like, you missed. There you go. Okay. And in case you were not a complete scum, you hit. So it'll be like, you hit. Oh damn. Oh shit, what did I do? Okay, so you hit the... Fuck off, please. Jesus. Okay, so you hit... Can I please? The phone name. Damn, everything's like going to shit right now. So you hit the phone name and dealt dice rolled. Okay, so it'd be like that. So you hit the, in this case, the shadow, and dealt whatever that was damage. So that's pretty good. And then when you hit, it'll be like phone name. It will literally retract from its name. Equals phone HP current minus dice rolled. Okay. And then it will rewrite. So we actually, we should actually do this. And okay. Do we do this? I think if we copy this, put it below here. So it'll put in the phone name, for HP current, and for HP full. So we'll put it on a 2 lines below that. Yeah, then that won't be needed. So, okay, let's see how that looks, because I'm not too sure. Okay, didn't roll right. didn't even. Oh god damn it! Can I do it again? Okay, yeah, we can actually just do that. We don't have to read. Okay, yeah, I can see this. I can see it working. But we should have one. Let's see where that ends. Okay, so let's see. Just like player name, whatever that was, and then enemy name, shadow, HP 40 out of 40. So we do like a 1, and you hit and dealt 1 damage. Oh shit. Damaging intensifies. It does not know what to do now. It's kind of a problem. Oh. Okay. Okay, yeah, that should be right. So yeah, it rewrote it. It was great. Everything was good. So I guess that's actually it. So number 2 is cast magic. Yeah, how do we do this? I think we'll have to like have a shit. Gonna have to have another array for casters, which will again be a string array. And it will contain like the names of the spells, the damages of the spells. So again, a 2-dimensional. Be called spell book. It'll be a new string array of, yeah, it's just 10 on the X and all the way to like 100. Let's just go all in on that one, because we never know. And for casters, I guess we should put like a default spell in there. So for a caster, it will be spellbook, and we'll put in slot number 0.0. And this is how we'll add new spells. That will be the name of the spell. So it'll be like flame. This is the name of it. That's the name of the spell, guys. Don't lose your shit. Okay, and then the spell book again on 1.0, and that will be the amount of attack damage that it can deal. It'll be up to 5. Okay. I suppose this class here, the caster should have two spells. So this will be on 1, and this will be called Thunder Bolt, and it'll be able to deal a 7. And then we can go down to the Paladin, because he should have 1, and that should be like a healing spell. So give him that. We'll give him a lesser healing, because I guess that would be useful. Lesser healing. And it will be able to heal 10 points. Okay. Oh, I suppose actually we should do this. So we should clarify what kind of spell it is. So in 1.2 we should put the word damage, because then we know that it's a spell that's supposed to deal damage. And then in this guy's case, the Guardian, or the Paladin actually, well, that's not right, it should be in 2.1. And also it should also be up here. In so right, oh no, it's actually right. It was this one. So we know that these two are damages and this is heal. So we know that there are healing spells and there are damaging spells, and if they need to cast one, they should be given a list of which to cast. And for some it will be a very, very long list, but it should be worth it. So yeah, the damaging, I suppose that's done. There's no more. Well, there will be a attack. Well, the enemy will hit you after a certain point. So yeah, let's see. We should put in at this point here. Should put like, so it tells you to choose a spell from your spell book. And then we'll do like 2 for loops again. So that will be on the Y, and that was 100, so 99. No, actually 100. That should be fine. And then A++. Yeah, and then in here we'll have a for loop for int. Actually, I should rename these to this is the Y, so we don't, mess it up completely as I usually do by just calling them A and B. So this is X is 0, and on the X-axis, how many did we have? Was it like 20 or something? Let's see. Oh, it's only like 10. Okay, good. Actually, I suppose that will be 11 usable. Whatever. But it doesn't matter in the for loops. So it'd be... oh no, it's not this. That's not this. Okay, where is it? Oh, here. Okay, so it's 0. And then as long as x is less than or equal to 10, then x plus plus. Oh, that's not supposed to be there. And so it will have an int called line counter, by default 0. Wait, what was wrong? Okay, and in here we will put, oh, actually we won't put anything in there. Will be like console set cursor position, and for every time this is bad. This is gonna go super wrong. Okay, let's tone it down. Let's not have 100 spots of usable spellbook. Let's be like 50. Because we're not gonna have more than that anyways. Ridiculous otherwise. Because 100 lines, I mean, it's ridiculous. Yeah, okay. Let's set it to 0, and then be like line counter plus equals y. So every time we go down, on the y, it will bump this up and continually do so. So it'll be like, put it in a slide to the right, and then dot line counter. Maybe we should write out what the different numbers are anyway, or first of all. So I guess we'll start out at like 5. So say, we'll do this again. Oh, it has to be at 15 by default. 16 actually. There you go. And then at 5.16 we'll write out, and don't get me wrong, I understand if this is a little hard to understand right now. Even I don't understand it fully. So do not worry. And at 35. Yeah. No, actually we have a lot of room to deal with, don't we? I guess actually we could make it stop doing the loop when it hits an empty spot, because if it hits an empty spot, then we know there will be no more spells in the spell book. They will all come in a you know, a numeric order. So it'll be like points. And so when it's like, yeah, I suppose that would be a good explanation of what they do. And so here we'll write out the spellbook. No, we can't just do that. We have to do like a console write line. And oh, you know, we can actually do this. That would be kind of good, instead of you know, what I was gonna do. So we can have this be like, no, actually we can't. What we can do, let's do one of these. Okay, so it will write out next to each other. It will put that. Okay, let's try this. Let's see, so we'll have to do the export y. Okay, this will be interesting to see what it actually does here. So, damn, I didn't even write it. Okay, there you go. Wait. And then we'll enter combat, and we'll be like cast magic, and it crashes. See. Yeah, it was outside the bounds. So we should go to 49. See if that works. And yeah, I'm aware that it would be quicker to just comment everything out and then testing it that way, but it's still out of bounds. Okay, let's try 9. Let's see if it doesn't work now. Because it very much should, to be quite honest with you. Wow. Okay. Seemed to have worked, but I put this one in the wrong one. So we need it to be 35.5 and 16.5 and not the other way around. And then we need to play a caster. So obviously we're going to be caster, or the Klaus, the caster. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. There we go. Wait. Okay, can we... Oh shit, what happened? And then... God. My god. Okay, so 16. And then this. No, actually that should be 5. Okay. I mean, I'm still super pumped for this. Can't wait for the game to come out, man. Hype train, hype train. Keep it going, guys. Hype train. Oh, Jesus. Let's see, it's like 16. It should be 17. Well, actually, it should check first if spellbook, whatever slot we're looking at, x.y equals something like that, or spellbook, the x.y is null, and then if it is, should do nothing else. Okay, and then it should write out this entire thing. That was an kind of the wrong way to do it, but it works. Oh my god, how... Okay. Okay. Well. Okay, let's have a console read. Because, like, frankly, I don't know why it wouldn't work at this point. Like, I don't know. Okay, this is bad. Suppose this should be up here actually. So we'll write out the interface for the spellbook right away. And no, it should be able to work just like this. So it writes out spellbook position x.y. Oh. You know what? Maybe that should be kind of moved. Okay, let's try again. I mean, this is all part of the process, and shit, now it won't even work. Won't even work. Like, why? Well, actually we could just do this. And then put everything that is here right in there. Pop that down. And so the else, and just like that. Okay, let's see if it works now. Like I don't know, maybe I'm just drunk at this point on coffee. So apparently it will not take a command. Stay. Okay, here we go. Something happened. The value must be greater than or equal to 0 and less than the console's buffer size in that. Oh my god. Like how? Why? It's 42. Wait, what? What? Okay, maybe that was a bad idea. I don't know what just fucking happened, but we could do like that, I think. I mean, we should be able to. Okay. Okay, something came at least, but still, like every time, something is missing. Okay, maybe, okay, if we run this and then like just beta test it like this, or I suppose alpha test it like this. Go to see what just fucking happened. So this is x and y, so x is equal to something. Apparently I'm not able to see that. So I can only see fuck me. Okay. See, this is at 16, so 17 we should be fine, but it is not writing them out, even though I am a caster. Am I not? And as a caster, yeah, I mean, this should be right. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. Okay.